In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the lead page making software, which is right down here. These big blue buttons. It depends on which niche you're going to make it for. If I want to make it for just a regular marketing consultant lead page maker, I just go ahead and click on that button right there, and then that's going to bring me to my software. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go through this really briefly. I want to put in my business name. I'll go ahead and put in a logo. Let's make sure it has to be a smaller logo. This is one of the smaller ones. So you just put in a small logo. Put in your phone number right there. You just type it in. And then this is the tap to call number. So make sure there's no spaces in your number. So go ahead and put that in there. And then you have your main YouTube ID. So this is just the ID. It's not the entire URL. So you'll notice if you go to a YouTube video, like for example, let's just say I'll go to this one right here. Okay, I'm at YouTube. You can see that after, let me go ahead to the share. You can see this area right here, this end, that's the YouTube ID. Just the string of characters right here at the end. Alright, that's the YouTube ID. Do not put in the entire link. Alright, so you put in the YouTube ID. I'll just go ahead and leave the default for now. Now the autoresponder code. I'm going to go ahead and put an autoresponder code from Jotform. Now you can use one from any autoresponder that you'd like, but let me go ahead and show you what Jotform is like. It's a free service. You get up to like 100 submissions, so if you're just getting started, it's perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and click on one of them. And this is one that I created. It's very simple, email and a submit button. Okay, once you create it, you go to the publish section. And in the publish section, here's the embed code. And that's all I'm entering in right there. It's just that embed code. Okay, so you go ahead and put that in there. And then you put your support URL. You put your About Us page link, your Facebook URL, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, privacy policy. You should have all of those. Then this is the color for your template. So this is going to be, like for example, if I just want this blue here, which my e-cover is blue, so it might be a good idea to just match that, or you can match it to your logo, whatever your your company logo. You want to match these lead pages to that. You just choose a color. But it's going to pretty much make it standard across all the templates that it builds, and use that general color scheme. So I'll go ahead and click next. Here's the copyright year. I'll go ahead and leave that, and I'm going to hit create your marketing page. Okay, so now once I create my marketing page, I can save the work that I've put in there. Okay, so I could save this, and you can see that it saves it as a SAS file. So I'm going to go ahead and put marketing consultant sample, just for my own reference, marketing consultant sample. Alright, so what it does is it creates a, here's the file here. Okay, so now I have, it's a .sas file. Okay, .sas. So I can only open up that file now if I'm opening it up with this software, the marketing consultant. I can't open it up with any other software, just this one. Okay, or else it won't work. But you can't do it until I've already hit that button, create my template. So if you're going to have any problems saving, it's going to be because you're saving it too early. You got to go through the entire process, then you'll hit your save. Okay, so I'm going to download my marketing templates, and that's going to download to my computer. Now, some of you, have issues sometimes. Say, well, I hit the download button, I don't know where it is. Well, it really depends on where your computer is set up to send your downloads. Sometimes when I use the Chrome browser, it sends them straight to my download folder that I have on my PC. But when I use Firefox, I have this neat little display right here of my downloads, and it shows me exactly where they go. Alright, so here's my templates now. I have 8 of them. I'm going to go ahead and make a new folder and call it MC Samples. Okay, I'm going to grab all of these templates and I'm going to throw them in that folder. And the reason why I like to do that is because I like to just kind of go through them and test them online just to make sure everything's good. Okay, so once I get that done, here's my folder now. Here's my first file. And when I click on these, they should open up in your browser. You can see that I have all my information already in there. Looks good. There's my business name down there. I've got my capture page in there. Alright, here's my free report, all set up, my video, it's all good. Okay, so all of my templates should be working, no problem. There you go, there's another one. Okay, so what I do now is I'm going to go ahead and just rename this to 1, okay, or I can rename it MC1. Okay, lowercase. Now, I'm going to show you how to upload this to my server. Okay? Now, I'm already logged in here on my computer. I'm logged into my FTP program. And I use Fire FTP. I use a Firefox browser. You can use whichever FTP program you like. I use Firefox browser. Okay? Now, this URL here is Mobile Demo Online. Now, if I go to MC1, nothing's going to be found there. You see that? It's MC1. Nothing's found. But I just created this folder here called MC1. All I'm going to do is go to I'm logged into my server. Now you need a hosting account from HostGator or from Liquid Web, someplace to host these files. Okay? And once you have your login details, you'll be able to log in to your server. Now, if I go here, I'll show you here, this is the information that you're going to need. You're going to need hosting account number, your login, your password. Okay, that's pretty much it. And whichever hosting company you use should be able to help you get this up and running. All right, it's nothing I can do because I don't know what there's so many hosting companies out there. It just depends on who you use. So what I'm going to do is just grab my folder, MC1. I'm just going to drop it right on my server side. You can see down here, we've got files that are starting to load up there. Okay, so it shouldn't take too long. It's running a little slow with my recording screen capture program. Okay, here we go. So here's MC1. Now I have this on my server. I have this file on my server, MC1. So now if I go back here online, there's Mobile Demo Online MC1. I'm going to refresh, and there it is. Now this page here is live and on my server. See that? Okay, it's live and on my server. Okay, so that's how you create your page, your lead page, and then all I did was put them in a folder just so I can check them out. Okay, and then from there, all I did was go ahead and log into my server using Fire FTP. All right, Fire FTP. That's what I use. Let me search that for you. Okay, Fire FTP. It's just an add-on for Firefox. That's what I use. Okay. And then once I log in with my details, I just drag my template over to my server side, and then it's live on the internet. Ready to go. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions, go ahead and drop me a support ticket. Take care.